Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome to another review. So today we are going to be reviewing the Amcrest webcam. Alright, so we're going to be doing the Amcrest 1080p webcam, the model number AWC195-B. So this looks like a much higher quality product than the headphones that we reviewed last time. Packaging feels nice. Got it from Amazon. Price, kinda hefty. $39.99, I believe. I'll throw up an image of it. But looks pretty good. So here it says specifications. Got 90-degree field of view, 1080p full HD camera, 30 FPS. Plug and play, obviously. And looks like it's got like a nice little flap to cover up in case, yeah, it says privacy cover on here, built-in stereo microphone, plug and play. So let's actually just dive right in, shall we? So right off the bat, what we see is the little cover that you can put on the webcam. So we do have the user's manual here, nice and easy, not too long. And then we got this nice webcam covered in this nice little plastic. And ooh, okay, got a little weight to it, you know, this bottom bit right here, because it's like a three-piece, if that makes any sense. This bottom bit right here, a little bit heavy. I'm sure that's to help stabilize it. All the functionality, I mean, like the movement of it, it moves really nice, and like the wire feels, I mean, what am I gonna say about the wire? Wow, the wire feels so good. It's a wire. I don't know what to tell you, but based on looks, I mean, it's kind of big, right? It's like wide, but it's really sleek. The design is really nice and like it looks good. And I'm guessing on the sides here, I don't know if it'll be able to pick it up on the camera, but on the sides there's like what looks like a mesh kind of grill on the side, if that makes any sense. Might just be the design, might have some functionality, but I guess we'll get into that. So let's see how this little cover goes on. Let's see if it's an easy little thing to put on there or not. I'm sure it is. I just broke the plastic that this comes in. This plastic didn't feel that great. Okay. Alright, so we got this and we got this. I'm guessing it just slides right on. Should be my guess. And it did. Look at that. We got a cover on there. You can flap it open. You got a little cover on there. You can flap it open and you can flap it closed. Looks like this video is going to be out of focus when I'm putting anything. Maybe I can just leave it here. You can see it open. Now it's closed. Open, closed. Easy peasy. This feels like a quality product. I did pay $40 for it, so it should be a quality product. How about we actually test out and see what this camera looks like? So let's switch over to that one right about now. Alright guys, so I've been trying out this webcam for about a week here, and you know, I've been streaming with it, so I'll put up some footage of that, and I've been using it on Discord, just kind of all around getting some used to it, trying to see what it's all about, and so far it's been looking really good. Like actually, if you look at the footage right now, like it's looking crisp. Even in the Twitch streams, it's looking crisp. In the Discord, it's looking crisp. But the one thing that I forgot to try when we were, you know, testing it in the beginning was the audio quality of it. So actually, let's switch over to that now, and you can actually hear that the quality drops down a little bit from what I'm using here, this microphone, which is obvious, right? That makes sense. This microphone is right next to my face. It's supposed to pick up the best quality of my voice. I could talk into it, right? But the webcam is all the way over there across the room, and it's not supposed to pick up the audio as well. But even for that, it's not terrible. Like, yes, it sounds like I'm talking pretty far away, but you can still hear me, and the quality isn't that bad. So, really, the webcam does its purpose. Like, the footage is amazing, and if you don't have a microphone like me, it can pick up the sound really well. The one thing that I did find that for me personally it didn't work out with was having it on top of my desktop, which, now hear me out, Yes, of course, it doesn't make sense. But I like to get that little bit higher view down onto me when I'm streaming. And so the webcam isn't going to be in front of me like this. It was actually sitting on top of my desktop and right above a fan. So if I tried to listen to the audio from the webcam, I would hear a lot of just fan noise. So what I'm saying is, if you have your webcam placed somewhere where you have other noise coming in, like if it's next to an open window and there's going to be sound coming in from that window, you're going to be able to pick up that sound. Like the webcam is going to hear it, obviously. So it's not as effective as a microphone here, but it is still good if you put it in the right place. That's why I moved it down here. Hopefully the audio is sounding pretty good now. But like I said, the video is good, the audio is good, and it looks sleek. Like the design is good. It's noticeable, but it also kind of fits in. It has that modern look to it. The little light turns green when you're recording. It's red when it's on, like when it's plugged in. So you know exactly when it's actually in use or when it's not in use, which is really good. Kind of just lets you know, like, whoa, look, it's on, it's filming me. All right, sweet. But other than that, I think that's the entire review. This webcam is good. I mean, $39.99 on Amazon. I'd say it's a buy. I would recommend this to all of my friends who need a webcam, who are looking for a webcam. This is definitely the one that I would suggest. It feels sturdy. It feels like it has a good build to it, good quality to it. The footage is good, as you can see. The sound is mediocre, but hopefully you have your own microphone if you're planning on doing any kind of streaming or playing or anything. But for video calls, this is the webcam that you'd want. So be on the lookout. I'll put an Amazon link for the webcam below. So if you want to get one of these, you can click the link, go purchase it. But on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say this is a solid, for the price range. Keep in mind, for the price range, to me, this is a solid 10. This webcam is pretty darn good. Anyway, that's going to do it for me. Don't forget to give this video a like. And if you really want to see more of me, be sure to subscribe, because I will try to be posting more consistently. All right, thanks, guys.